There are some things in life you can't do alone, like have a party, wrestle, have a sack race.
Step aside, fools. I got this. Okay, I have this. Yeah.
Play Marco Polo.
Marco! Fish out of water.
Ride a teeter-totter.
Oh.
Get engaged.
Will you marry me?
Yes!
Move a heavy, awkward piece of furniture.
Fingers. Too slow.
Or water ski. Some things should not be attempted without the help of others. Your spiritual journey is one of them. When it comes to that, we're definitely better together.